I'm Mark Platt. I'm a news director of Hawaii News Now, which is several stations here in Honolulu. And I've been in journalism for over 30 years, primarily in newspapers. Worked at large newspapers in Los Angeles, Miami, Atlanta. And my whole life I've been a journalist and a reporter and an editor and somebody who tries to get the story, tries to get the big story. When you move from one state to another, as I did 13 years ago from California to Hawaii, your biggest concern is looking for the right doctor, the right dentist, and finding just the right person for you. So when I moved here, I found at the company I was working at, people recommended Dr. Adachi to me. Several people had used Dr. Adachi. So in the year 2000, I started coming to Dr. Adachi and have been with him ever since. Provides an excellent service. Dr. Adachi has helped me with a number of things, including helping me with the whitening of my teeth, putting veneers on my teeth, making sure that they stay as white and as healthy as they can be. And what I really like about Dr. Adachi is his preventative care, making sure that my smile's always good, that I always have, make sure that regular checkups, always making sure that he's watching out for me so before problems develop. One of the things that I remember most about Dr. Adachi was when I had a filling fall out on a Saturday. I was at home, I was barbecuing, I think I bit into a steak, and I knew something was wrong. A filling had fallen out, and it might have been even a crown. And I called Dr. Adachi, in kind of an emergency session, and within 2 hours I came down to the office here. He left his home in the middle of his dinner and was able to replace the crown or the filling at that time. And I just thought that was wonderful service to not even have to wait for that. He was just ready to come in on his off hours and help me out and help me with that tooth, and it meant a lot to me. You get very personalized service from Dr. Adachi. He'll help you with whatever you need, and he'll always help you with preventative maintenance of your teeth so that he gets to the problems before they develop. I would describe Dr. Adachi as kind, most of all. He's somebody who really cares about the patient. He really cares, he really listens to you. A lot of people in dentistry, when they come to a new dentist, they worry about the pain, they worry about the procedures. Never had any kind of problem like that. He always puts your mind at ease. I just know that I'm in good hands when I'm with Dr. Adachi. I enjoy coming to see Dr. Adachi because he's a professional and he has a professional staff and they provide wonderful service. And a lot of people don't want to come to see their dentist because they worry about, they're fearful or because of the pain or what have you. But coming to see Dr. Adachi, I don't feel like we have any of that. He provides a great service. He keeps you calm. He's calm, he's patient, and he's a compassionate guy. I would recommend Dr. Adachi to all my friends and family, and I have done so. I've recommended him to any number of people because I think he provides the best care there is.